Yeah, Nyungwe is one of the most biodiverse African forests. If you come in Nyungwe and you have a chance to see all the primate species, you have seen 12% of mainland Africa species of primates just in one forest. Out of the 44 species of endemic birds in Alberton Rift, Nyungwe counts 29. By the time you step in the forest, just a few meters, you completely feel like you are in a completely different world.
I'm working in Nyungwe for 30 years now. Of course, I've seen a lot of changes. Seeing some animal population increasing. Recently, one species that was believed to be extinct for 40 years in Nyungwe has been rediscovered and is endemic. Chimpanzee and the conservation of them in Nyungwe National Park is critically important for Rwanda and for the rest of the world. For conserving them, you have to generate money for conservation, and that's why we have treated chimpanzee for tourism purpose.
So for being sustainable long time, should have generated at least some income. We work with the people coming from community people around the park. So give them the money and just making these infrastructures. We can't do this infrastructure without people. So working with the community people, like building these lodges, rehabilitation of the houses, tourism facilities.
In terms of tourism, we have targets to achieve sustainability. As of last year, we achieved more than 25%. If we can cover 25% of our expenses just in the second year of management, by 2028, we should be reaching 75%. The vision for the park is to become owned by communities in the end, advocating for the park and being really the real supporters of the conservation of this park.
Come visit, come explore, come enjoy. We are there for conservation for today and the future generation and the rest of the world.